Hey there. So I'm going to show you some really quick tutorials on how to tie your scarf. So this is the Dreamcatcher scarf, and I'm going to take it, fold it in half, fold it some more so it's like a headband, right? And then one style is going to be like this. So that's one style. The next style is going to be, you take it and you fold it again like a headband, and then you take it back behind your head, and then like this, do like a little bow the back. Then the next style is like this. Take it, do like a quick little over the head like this, and then I'll just do one more really quick, which is like my go-to all the time. So you take it like a headband and do like this, take it here, twist it, and then just bring it back behind your head. So voila, that's 4 quick and easy headband styles.